Hello class, I will be working from your Global Techniques packet, page 16, number 3, 6, 8, and 13. Beginning with number 3. If fx is equal to x squared, what is one possible value of x for which fx will be greater than 4 but less than 21? So you're going to be plugging in the different answers, and I want you to focus on fx equals x squared. And just to save time, I'm going to go ahead and skip to the correct answer. So using fx is equal to x squared, and knowing that fx has to be greater than 4 but less than 21, I am going to choose answer choice B, which is -3. So because this will be my x value, I have to square it. So -3 squared is equal to 9, and I know that 9 is greater than 4 but less than 21. And if you go through the other answer choices, you will see that they're either not greater than 4 or not less than 21, which makes B your answer. And that is number 3. Number 6. If z minus 4 squared minus 121 equals 0, and z is greater than 0, what is the value of z? So once again, you will plug in your different answer choices into z, and to save time, I will be plugging in the right answer. So I am going to plug in 15, and this is where z is on your equation given to you, minus 4 squared minus 121 equals 0. So I chose 15 because I know that this number right here is going to be subtracted from 4. And when you subtract 15 from 4, you will get 11 squared. And I know that 11 squared equals 121, and 121 minus 121 equals 0. And 0 equals 0, which makes C, 15, your correct answer. And that is number 6. This is number 8, and you are given two systems of inequalities. So the one on top is y plus x is greater than 4, and the second one is y minus 2x is less than or equal to 5. So focus on this first one because it's the easier one to follow. Once again, you're going to plug in your answer choices, but the difference this time is you have been given points, coordinate points. So I know that the answer choice is C, but you are going to try each one out individually, and I decided to go with C because I know that if I plug these numbers into this first inequality, 3 plus 2, remember this is your x coordinate and this is your y coordinate. 3 plus 2 I know is going to be greater than 4 because 5 is greater than 4. So now I'm going to try this here in this second inequality, and that would be 3, your y coordinate, minus 2x, and plug in your x coordinate, is less than or equal to 5. So 3 minus 4 equals -1, which is less than or equal to 5, and make C your answer. And now you have number 13. Number 13 is 7 plus 6 times 5n to the power of 1 over 3 equals 37. So it says in the equation above, what is the value of n? Now, once again, you are going to be plugging in your answer choices. To save time, I am going to be plugging in answer choice B, 25, because I know that it's the right answer. So it would be 7 plus 6 times 5, plug in n, which is your answer choice 25, to the power of 1 over 3 equals 37. So when you multiply 25 times 5, remember PEMDAS, 25 times 5 is 125. So in order to use the 1 over 3 exponent, you are going to turn 125 into, you're going to give 125 an exponent that will cancel out this 1/3. So I know that 5 to the power of 3 is the same as 125. And then you put your exponent 1 over 3. You're going to make this exponent into a fraction and you multiply across. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 1 times 3 is 3. 3 over 3 equals 1, which makes your exponent turn into a 1. So 7 plus 6 times 5 equals 37. 6 times 5 is 30, and 7 plus 30 equals 37. 37 equals 37, and you have a match. So your answer choice is B, and that was number 13.